You want to sit down on it? This? Okay, here.
You taking a poopies? That no.
This is your first time seeing a potty, isn't it? Well, baby potty. Yeah.
I've seen a baby potty before.
What do you think? Here, right here. No? So you knew exactly what to do, didn't you?
Oh, 3 minutes still. 2 minutes. Live stream.
Hi, dogs. Here, give me a hand. There you go. Yay. Now you gotta flush it. Dogs, go. Well, you definitely don't reach in the toilet. That's yucky. Ah, thank you. Does she think she's being nice? Are you trying to be nice, or are you just using me to dry your hands? I went ahead and got this back out. She started grabbing toys to put in it. I didn't even have to give her any. She just got her own. Look at this beautiful, huge rug my brother and his girlfriend found from a it's a liquidator company, so actually I don't believe it's used. It should be new. There's some dark spots from them just having it on the floor at the store, but this thing retails well over $100. Hi. And they managed to get it for $25. So I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to power wash it. Use the shampoo on it. Shampoo, carpet cleaner, whatever, shampooer. And get this put into a room. It's so pretty. Addison, do you like it? I think she likes it. What did you just get? Did Uncle David and Aunt Mandy find you a rug? Yes? Woo! This is actually for Addison, and we're gonna clean it today. Let's hope this is gonna be satisfying, because this looks pretty and soft. It's absolutely soft.
don't know what place it was, but try to search it if you actually got a girl who likes uniforms.
Alright, well it took longer than expected, but it is officially clean. It is shampooed with soap and it's pretty dry. Yeah, so looks great. So happy with it, and for 25 bucks, I'm extremely happy. That's not a toy. That's a piece of our floor. Are you balancing it? Can I have that, please? I want to see her reaction to it. Is it more of like a plush pillow?
Wait, it doesn't need to be blown up?
You think she'll notice that it's...
Baby! Addison. Oh!
It's brand new.
Come here, babies.
She's like, I don't know what to think.
These are babies.
It's as big as she is.
Here go Bubba. So,
How soft is it? Well, it's the same as the original, but just bigger.
Come on, baby. Where's the baby?
She's so unsure.
The baby.
Not sure. She's like lower. She's getting low. They even put the.
She's like, give me this thing.
Baby.
Bless you.
Watch this. Come on, baby. She'll laugh for a second.
I wish we had better lighting going that way.
I think this is actually a different type. This is kind of looking like the
Babies.
Good job. I like her little foot thing.
I got you, baby. Hold on.
She's like, it's a long process for me to get down there.
Dale. Don't you do it.
I think she was expecting you to pick her up. She was wanting you to pick her up when she came to you like that.
I'm sorry. I got you now, baby. There you go, baby. Whoa. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Her new favorite thing now. Oh, watch your head.